Hey, welcome back. This is Steve from SkiCoachingOnline. In this video, we're going to look at how we can ski some bumps a little bit smoother and get a little bit more speed control when we're in the bumps. So essentially the fastest way down is in a straight line down the hill. So what we want to do is add a little bit of distance across the hill when we're skiing it. So how that translates to the bumps is instead of sticking kind of in between the bumps and skiing in the troughs as we go down, that's essentially if I had some water and I poured it down, that's where the water would flow. What I want to try to do is try and put my feet somewhere near to where the peaks of the bumps are. I don't need to ski over the top of the peak. For example, I don't need to stand here. I can stand here is fine, but then when I go to the next bump, I want to see if I can come around and then ski towards or in line with the peak of the next bump. So what that looks like when we're skiing is a little bit like this. So I'm skiing down, I find this peak, find this peak, this peak, this peak, this peak, peak to peak, peak to peak, to peak, to peak, to peak, to peak, to peak, to peak as we go. That way then it's a little bit easier for me to get a bit more side to side. If I was to just ski down without going peak to peak, I can keep my skis kind of in between the bumps here. You would just end up hitting bump, bump, and you can see there's not much for me to do here in terms of trying to slow down apart from skidding and hitting the bump kind of with my skis going to the side, which is a little bit difficult. Whereas if I can come peak to peak, what I can do then is I give myself a little bit of space. For example, here, I'm on one peak. If I can then come across, I come all the way across, and I can ski then around to the next one. And it gives me a bit of space then to allow my skis to turn without getting caught up in the holes as I'm skiing. So for example, as I come around here, I go to one peak, I come around, whee, to next peak, 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 as I go. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.